how to create models in Dart very quickly. Just start typing CL, second option, call a model, it will be user. Now start adding a properties like name and surname, which are strings, and maybe daytime, birthday. Now using multi-line programming, let's add final to our properties. And now I'm on the user model, and command plus dot, and we have quick fix. So using that, we can generate constructor. Again, command plus dot, move our constructor before other members. It's good to also add cons to our constructor. We can also add copy with, because it might be helpful for us. If needed, we can extend our model with equatable, and you can see again we have create one missing override, quick fix, and generate equatable. So maybe we can also add final comma, and here we go. We have it, full model, which we needed very quickly. If you want to use this quick fix that I have for Dart, for VS Code, we can use the extension Dart data class generator. Link in the description. Thank you.